what we got today. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. So I got a little bit of update for you as far as the turbo upgrade goes. They lost my oil return line in transit, so I contacted the seller. They refunded me the money, and I already purchased a new one, and it shipped out this morning. So the other part of this is I came across another issue, a noise that was going on while I was driving. It started off as a whine, and then probably 2 or 3 days later, as I was keeping an eye on it, it sounded like a knocking sound. So I wound up tracking it down to my power steering pump. And if you saw the little intro, the little box I was shaking, that's what I'm going to be unboxing today. So this, I ordered this product off of Amazon. So, you know, my wife has Prime, so I was able to get it in like 2 days. We ordered it Friday, we got it, no, that's 3. Yeah, well, we ordered it Friday because of the weekend, but whatever, I got it today. So I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to put the seller's link down in the description of this video. Even ones that I found on eBay for a comparable price, I will link those in the description as well. But in the meantime, let's spin you guys around and get you unboxed and taking a look at what we got. Okay, so we're here in the office. The box, I already cut the tape off. And here we go. So here is your power steering pump. So this is going to be right here, this front flange. This is where your pulley is going to mount to. You're going to have 3 hex bolts. I believe they're 8mm hex bolts, or the H8s if you have the kit. Then this is where your feed line goes, and then this down here is your return side. Okay, so this is really just going to be a hose with either an upgraded, I keep forgetting the name of it, hose clamp, an upgraded hose clamp, or the original worm clamp that comes from the factory. And then this is going to be your pressurized send line. Okay, and then we've got bolts that are going to mount on the front. So it's basically you're going to look at it from this direction. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3 bolts that will hold it up against the motor, and then there's going to be another one on the back end. I don't believe it's this one. I think it's this smaller one down here, right back here. That is going to be the 4th bolt, but there's also runs through here, this little gap. So once I do the install and I record that, you guys will get a better idea of how it goes together. It's very easy, very simple, straightforward. If you have an impact gun, or if you have an electrical ratchet, that's definitely going to come in handy for swapping over the pulley. When you take off your pulley, make sure that it's not bent or cracked or anything like that, because then you'll have to go and get a new one. I'm not quite sure the pricing on those. I can't really see the pulley being damaged for any reason, unless, you know, it took some serious abuse, but it doesn't hurt to check. But that's going to conclude this before I start ranting on for too long. And with that being said, keep an eye out for our upcoming episodes of Ranting with Wrenches. And as always, wrench daily.